Looking for the best iPhone 17 and iPhone 17 Pro cases? You're in the right place. On this channel, we share daily high-quality videos to help you choose the best products with confidence. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned. Number 1. Spigen Ultra Hybrid MagFit. If you want a basic protective case for your Apple iPhone that comes at an affordable price, Spigen has you covered with some of the best iPhone 17 cases. The company's Ultra Hybrid MagFit clear cases and MagSafe cases show off the color of your iPhone, and we like their raised bezels that protect the rear camera. The cases also have tactical buttons on the side that make it easy to feel around and adjust your phone's volume without even looking at it. The overall slim profile of the hybrid polycarbonate and TPU case allows it to snap to your iPhone without adding too much bulk, and it's MagSafe compatible as well. Spigen offers a range of Apple cases, including iPad cases, plus screen protectors for all-around protection. Also, the Ultra Hybrid case was one of the most secure we tried, to the point where it was almost difficult to extricate the iPhone when we needed to test out a new phone cover. Number 2. ESR Cloud Series MagSafe Silicone Case. ESR's Cloud Series iPhone cases are another option similar to Spigen's if you want a decent amount of protection in a slim, attractive, and affordable package. They have a soft-touch silicone finish that feels comfy and luxe at the same time, and the microfiber inner lining prevents your phone from getting any scratches. The case design is military-grade shock and drop protected, and there's a handy stand built into the rim of the camera plateau edges. Simply flip it out to prop up your phone in either portrait or landscape mode, and fold it back in when you don't need it. Chances are you may forget it's there because it blends so seamlessly into the case design. Number 3. Smartish Gripmunk Magnetic Slim Case. We've recommended Smartish cases in the past for their artistic designs, but we particularly like the Gripmunk series as a best iPhone 17 case. These thin cases are a bit rougher around the edges than Spigen's cases. Literally, Gripmunk covers have textured edges that make them easier to grip and less likely to slip out of your hands, while the backs of the cases are smooth and can show off cute patterns and designs like floral arrays, cosmic scenes, and more. There are a few solid color options too if you want to go the true basic route. No shame. And these are all MagSafe cases as well, so they'll be compatible with your favorite MagSafe chargers. If you're a minimalist and don't like to carry a lot on your person, you could ditch your billfold and spring for Smartish's Wallet Slayer, a card holder case that has similarly textured edges along with a sleeve on the back. This wallet case can hold up to 3 credit cards and a few notes of cash. Number 4. Zagg Santa Cruz MagSafe Snap Case. Maker of fine screen protectors, Zagg also makes solid iPhone 17 cases as well. The Santa Cruz line gives you a little bit of color, but also doesn't get in the way of showing off your chosen iPhone finish. These cases are mostly clear with your color of choice surrounding the textured edges, and the whole design has been made durable enough to protect from drops up to 13 feet. Santa Cruz cases also have a built-in kickstand to prop up your phone, and they also feature ClearGuard anti-yellowing technology and an anti-scratch coating. This phone case is MagSafe compatible for smooth wireless charging. No need to remove the phone cover to charge your device. Just place your phone on your wireless charger for quick and efficient charging. Number 5. Moft Movas MagSafe Snap Case. Moft is known for stylish iPhone accessories, and the new Movas MagSafe case keeps that spirit alive. The company's proprietary Movas P-Series vegan leather feels premium and is also eco-friendly. Plus, the case includes a fully wrapped camera control button for more tactile feedback. The snap in the name refers to its compatibility with other Moft snap accessories like the tripod stand. But it's simply a MagSafe case, so it can be used with other MagSafe accessories made by different companies. Fully wrapped camera control button delivers tactile response and seamless operation, letting you capture inspiration in a flash. Crafted in every detail, raised camera bezel provides reliable lens protection, while fine fiber lining guards your phone edges from scratches. This iPhone 17 case safeguards your phone while keeping a slim, lightweight profile.